Hey, welcome to a super short quick tip for Corona Renderer for Cinema 4D. We're going to look today at the native material stacking. I have a bottle here which is currently using this grey clay-like material, and I want to add a label onto it, so I've set up a material here, and just for illustration I've given it some diffuse color. I've put the same colors into the reflection and given it quite a strong reflection, whereas the background grey material has none. And then the key element is the opacity, because when you're stacking materials in Cinema 4D, basically the opacity determines that you will see through this material to the one underneath. So let's go ahead and see that in action. We'll just start up the interactive renderer and take a look before we make any changes. And here we see the grey clay-like material, and all I need to do is grab my label and drop it onto the bottle. Okay, instantly it's applied, and in this case, because it's a label, I want to turn off tiling. Now we can see the grey material is showing through where the opacity map is. And using the interactive renderer, it's very easy to adjust the position of this label. First thing to do is we'll scale it down, move it back around so I can see it. And then we need to scale it down here too. And let's just slide that down the bottle. I'll scale it down just a little more. Oh, that's too much. Okay, that works. And again, it's very easy to position. You don't need to cut out polygons. You don't need to have a second object. You don't need to select polygons and apply polygon tags. It's all very simple to place it on using material stacking, and then very simple to use the interactive renderer to get exactly the effect that you're looking for. Hope you've enjoyed this. As I say, super short because it is really that simple. And enjoy adding labels to things. Thanks for watching.